of you. A very good evening and welcome to today's live session. This is Gayatri here. I see a lot of you have already joined the session. So today we are going to be focusing on SSC CGL examination, and we are going to be discussing general intelligence and quantitative ability section for this exam. And I'm going to be taking up questions that has been asked in the last week's All India mock examination. So I hope all of you took last week's All India mock examination. Yes, the general intelligence and reasoning section was fairly easy. Questions were as normal, like how it has been coming in the previous papers. Very similar questions came in this week's paper also. In quantitative ability, there were some questions on geometry, and then some questions on coordinate geometry, trigonometry. Again, the usual topics that come. Yes, so let's continue with today's session. So let me share my screen. So first we will discuss the general intelligence and reasoning section. Okay, let us look at this question. So this question is on paper folding. I'm sure all of you have become very good with paper folding. See, we have been solving questions of this type for the past few examinations, right? SSC CGL, whatever All India mock examinations we have given this year, I think we have been solving paper folding questions in most of the papers. So I'm sure all of you will get the correct answer for this one. A piece of paper is folded and punched as shown below in the question figure. From the answer figure, indicate how it will appear when opened. So what's happening? See, this end is being folded like this. This end is being folded like this. This end is being folded. And after it is folded, they are punching a hole here. Right now, how will you open it? So this end, now this is a fold basically here, right? See, there is a fold here like this. So when I open this out, how will my figure look? So this will be the part circle, right? So you will have a circle here, you will have a circle here also. There is one hole here and one hole here. So this is like a closed, right? There are two layers here. So when I punch a hole here and when I open it, on the other side also that hole should come. Somewhat like this, right? So when I open it out, here also I'll have a circle, here a circle, here a circle. That is basically holes, right? Circle, by saying circle I mean holes. So this is how your opened figure will look like. So which is your correct answer? Option 1 is your correct answer. Okay. So I make a fold like this, I punch a hole here. So when I open it out again, the hole should be replicated here as well. That is the same for all the four sides. Answer is option 1. Next one. In the given figure, how many people like both chess and badminton? How many people like both chess and badminton? So chess is the triangle and badminton is the circle. So which numbers are common to the triangle and the circle? See, this 12 is common to the triangle and the circle. Similarly, this 10 is common to the triangle and the circle. So the number that we are looking at is nothing but 10 plus 12, 22. How many people like both chess and badminton? 10 plus 12, 22, correct? Why are a lot of you giving me answer as 10? See, if they ask in the given figure, how many people like only chess and badminton? So, only chess and badminton means that is 10, right? Here, this 12 people also like chess and badminton, right? What are they asking? In the given figure, how many people like both chess and badminton? So the person should like chess and badminton, right? So chess is 10, this 12, right? This also includes the people who like chess and badminton. So be 10 plus 12, that is equal to 22. All of you are giving me the answer as 10. Correct answer is 22. If the question is how many people like only chess and badminton, in that case you say the answer is 10. Here, how many people like chess and badminton? This 12 people, right? See, this 12 people like chess, badminton and hockey, right? But they also like chess and badminton. That's what we are looking at. So your answer should be 10 plus 12, which is equal to 22. Is it clear? Yes, 22. Very easy question, no? Be careful. Such easy ones, we might, you should not be making mistakes. Next. 3 positions of a cube are shown below. What will come opposite the face containing at the rate of? So right now from the given figure, what can I say? Which are the symbols which are adjacent to this at the rate of multiplication, division, right? These two are adjacent. Then I have this rupees. That's all, right? Now I have to find out what will be opposite to ampersand. So I know the answer either has to be dollar or plus, right? See, these three symbols are already adjacent to at the rate of. So now the answer that I am looking at which will be opposite. So one of these symbols, either dollar or plus, this has to be adjacent to at the rate of, and the other one has to be opposite. But now if you look at the given options, this option is not even given, so obviously it has to be dollar. Correct? See, if you look at the now this square is not even there in any of the cases, so obviously this cannot be your answer. See what is given, at the rate of, what is adjacent to this, which are the faces adjacent to this, multiplication, division, right, and rupee symbol. So all these are adjacent. So every face has 4 adjacent faces. So the fourth adjacent face has to be either this dollar symbol or this plus symbol. I don't know which one it is. Looking at the options, they have not given plus for sure. They are obviously asking for the opposite face containing at the rate of. So it's not plus, means what should it be? It has to be dollar. Directly you can mark the answer as option 3. Clear? The next question? Yes. If a mirror is placed on the line PQ, then which of the answer figures is the right image of the given question figure? So if a mirror is placed here, right, now if the mirror is placed either on the left hand or the right hand side, what will happen? The left and the right of the image will get interchanged. The top and the bottom has to remain the same. So how should this image, how should the mirror image look? So this triangle, right, the left and the right hand side will get interchanged. So this triangle has to come here like this. This is pointed, remember, and here it has to be straight. So this will be straight, pointed, and then this P will, again left and right of the P will get interchanged, and this will be as such. So this is the answer that we are looking at, which is option 2, right? See, same way, right? Here it's pointed end, here it is the line. So here line, pointed end. Same thing has to be replicated. Only left and right will change, nothing else will change. Option 2 is your right answer. Next. This was very easy. From the given answer figure, select the one which has the question figure hidden or embedded. So which has the question figure hidden or embedded here? 4. So this is the shape in the question, right? It is there in the option 4. Correct answer is option 4. Next. Which answer figure will complete the pattern in the question figure? So which answer figure will complete the pattern? So see, all the 3 places you have a triangle. So here also you should have a triangle, and this diamond should be completed. Okay, again this diamond should be completed, and if you see here, there is no connecting line here. So same thing has to be replicated in the bottom. So it should be like this, right? See, there is no line here, so there will be no line here also. So that should be the figure that you are looking at, that is somewhat like this, which is option 2. Next one. How many triangles are there in the given figure? How many triangles are there in the given figure? So smaller triangles, if you look at 1, 2, then you have, this is 3, right? See, I am just looking at this triangle, right? 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yes, see, I am just looking at these triangles. Okay, 1. So this was 1, like that I have considered, right? Where there is no overlapping with any other line. Okay, so like that we have 6 triangles. Now what are the other triangles that you have? See, look at this one, 7. This is triangle number 7. Then triangle number 8, and then last you have, this is triangle number 9, and this is triangle number 10. So totally you have 10 triangles in the given figure. Next one. In the following question, select the number which can be placed at the sign of the question mark from the given alternatives. So what will come here? You have, say, 6 into 3 into 9, right? I am looking at the first column. 6 into 3 into 9 plus 5, that is equal to 167. Similarly, 7 into 4 into 5 plus 5, that is equal to 145. That is 28 into 5, which is 140 plus 5, 145. So next one will be 4 into 1 into 3 plus 5, that is 12 plus 5, which is equal to 17. Correct answer is option 3, 17. Next one. In the following question, which set of letters when sequentially placed at the gaps in the given letter series shall complete it? What's the answer for this one? So the pattern that is being followed here is this: A, B, C, P, P, C, B, A. A, B, C, P, P, C, B, A. Okay, that is the pattern that is being followed. So what should come in the missing places ACACA. So ACACA, that is option 2. Next, in a certain code language, yield is written as follows, float is written as follows, and height will be written. What is the code for height? So what is the YIELD? This is coded as YHBGX. See, x plus 1 is y, right? XY. Then G plus 2, GHI. B plus 3 is E, right? B, C, D, E. Similarly, H, I, J, K, L. So H plus 4 is L, and last one is Y. So Y plus 5 is D. So this is the logic that they have used here. Similarly, if you look at FORT and POME, same logic, FORT, POME. So here E plus 1 is F, M plus 2 is O, O plus 3 is R, and P plus 4 is T. Going by the same logic, how will height be coded? HEIGHT. Height will be coded as, so what plus 1 will give you H? GH, right? Again, what will come here? What plus 2 will give you E? C, C, D, E, correct? Similarly, you need here I, means what should come here? F should come here. And then again, if you need G here, what should come? It should be, see, this is 1, 2, 3, here it should be 4. So if it is C, after C, D, E, F, G. So it is C. And then again, if you need H here, it has to be again a C and then N. Right? 5. So the correct answer here is NCCFCG is option 4, correct? NCCFCG is option 4. Am I right? 4. NCCFCG. Yes, next one. Next question is on pattern. If 5 at the rate of $3.12 is equal to 20 and $10.2 at the rate of 5 is equal to 4, then $14.3 at the rate of 7 is equal to dash. See, 5, 3, 12. When you perform a set of operations in this, the answer that you are getting is 20. So when can you get 20 as the answer? See, if I put divided by here and multiply here, what will I get? 5 divided by 3 into 12. That is 5 4s are 20. Correct? So if I replace at the rate of by division and if I replace dollar by multiplication, I am getting the answer 20. Let us check with this set also. So this will become 10 into 2 at the rate of, means again division, divided by 5. So what will you get? Answer is 4. So it is satisfying in both the first set, this set and this set. So what will be the answer here? 14. Dollar is nothing but multiplication into 3 divided by 7, or what is it that you will get? 3 2s are 6. 6 is your answer. Option 2. Next one. 7 years later, the age of L will be equal to the present age of M. The sum of L's age 2 years later and M's age 3 years ago is 70. If N is 1/3 of the present age of M, then what will be N's age after 12 years? 7 years later, age of L will be equal to the present age of M. So let L's present age be L and M's present age be M. What are they saying? 7 years later, what will be the age of L? That will be equal to the present age of M. See, this L and M represent the present ages of L and M respectively. Now, they are saying L plus 7. After 7 years, L's age is going to be the present age of M. Then they are saying the sum of L's age 2 years later and M's age 3 years ago is 70. What is L's age 2 years later? L plus 2. What is M's age 3 years ago? M minus 3. This sum is equal to 70, or what can I say? I can say L plus M, that is equal to 71. So I have two equations here for L and M, or here I can say L minus M, that is equal to 7. Two equations, two unknowns. Solve for L and M. So what do you have? You have, if I add these two equations, I will have L minus M is equal to 7, L plus M is equal to M minus L is 7, correct? m minus l is 7 and I have l plus m is equal to 71. So if I add these two, what do I get? I get 2m. If I want to find out l, I will get 2l is equal to 64 or l is equal to 32. So what is m? M is equal to 39. So I have got L and M. Now what are they asking? What will be N's age 12 years after? And they are also given here that N is 1/3 of the present age of M. So what is M's present age? M is 39. So what is the present age of N? 39 by 3, which is equal to 13. So after 12 years, what will be N's age? 13 plus 12, 25. Option 1. Now first, what are they saying? The sum of L's age 2 years later and M's age 3 years ago is 70. So what is L's age 2 years later? Present age is L. So 2 years later it is nothing but L plus 2. 7 years later the age of L will be equal to the present age of M, or I can say L plus 7, that is equal to M. So I have two equations here, right? L plus M is equal to 71 and I also have minus L plus M is equal to 7. So you have to solve these two equations and find out the value of L and M. You have got that, and then you can, they have already given that N is 1/3 of the present age of M. Find the value of N. Then what is the age of N 12 years later? 13 plus 12, 25. Okay, next question is on syllogisms. Very easy question on syllogisms. What is given here? Some routers are modern. So let's draw the basic diagram here. Some routers are modem. No hub is a router. So no hub and router are disjoint set. First conclusion. Some modems are not hub. Yes, definitely the modems which are routers, right? This intersection, that cannot be hubs. So the conclusion 1 is true. Next one. All modems are hub. Are all modems hub? We don't know, right? It's not a definite conclusion. All modems are not hubs. Anyway, it can't be also. So second conclusion does not follow, right? All modems are hubs does not follow. Because there are definitely some modems which are not hubs also. That also we know. Next, some hubs are not modems. Some hubs are not modems. Can we say that for sure? See, this hub set can be like this here also, right? Hub can be here, still hub and router are disjoint. So I cannot again say for sure that this conclusion is definite. So this is also not a definite conclusion. So the correct answer here is some modems are not hubs. That is option 1, only if conclusion 1 follows. Is it clear? It is only 1 follows. See, some of you are saying 3 follows. Why are you saying 3 follows? What does 3 says? 3 says some hubs are not modems for sure. See, I only know that router and hub should be disjoint. So what is wrong if I draw the hub set here? If I draw the hub set here, then I can say all hubs are modems and still no router is hub, right? So 3 is wrong. It is not a definite conclusion. I hope it is clear. Only 1 follows. You cannot say for sure. There is also a possibility that all hubs are modems. So there I can't say some hubs are not modems, right? So only 1 follows. Next one. In the following question, correct the equation by interchanging 2 signs. So which 2 signs, if you interchange, will you get the correct equation? So you have to obviously go with the trial and error method by looking at the options. What is the answer that you get? Okay, a lot of you are saying 4 is the answer. Let us check minus and plus. Correct. So if I interchange minus and plus, what will I have? How will the equation be? I will have 5 into 2. So this minus and plus I am going to interchange. So 5 into 2 plus 4 divided by 2 minus 9. Right. So 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 by 2 is 2 minus 9. That is 12 minus 9, which is equal to 3. So the equation is becoming correct. Right, you have to do the multiplications and the division first using Bodmer's rule. So the correct answer here is option 4, minus and plus. Next, in the following question, select the odd number pair from the given alternatives. This was a fairly easy one. What's the answer here? 13 squared plus 1, that is equal to 170. Similarly, 22 squared plus 1, that is equal to 485. 27 squared plus 1, that is equal to 730. So here, see what have they done? They have done 16 squared minus 1. Correct? So this is the odd one out for sure. Next one. In the following question, select the odd letters from the given alternative. So see, if you look at this, right, EV, what is opposite to E? Opposite to E is V from the reverse. Okay, when you look at the letters in the English alphabet in the reverse order, opposite to E is V. Similarly, opposite to J is Q. Here also opposite to F is U, opposite to H is S. Here opposite to B is Y. Opposite to I has to be R. What have they given? They have given T here. So this is your odd one out. Look at CX, opposite to C is X, opposite to G is T. It's also correct. So this is the odd one out, BYIT. Next, A and B are brothers. A is the father of C, D is the only son of B and is married to E. How is E related to C? What's given here? A and B are brothers. So both A and B are male members. So male, I am representing it as B. A is the father of C. A is the father of C. D is the only son of B. So D is the son, means again boy, right? D is the son of B and is married to E. D is married to E. So this is a male, means this has to be a female. What is the question? How was E related to C? So basically these two are cousins, right? Or they are like brothers. So this person's wife is obviously E is C's sister-in-law. So the correct answer here is option 3, sister-in-law. Next. In the following questions from the given alternatives, select the word which cannot be formed using the letters of the given word. Very easy. Which word can't be formed? See, you don't have A in the given word. So the correct answer is option 4, name, N-A-M-E. A is not there in the given word. So with that, we are finishing the questions from this particular paper, that is last week's All India mock examination. Great. So that is it from us for now, and I will see you in the next session, and this is Gayatri signing off. Till then, take care. Good night. Bye.